You've seen some bits and pieces here. I'll just ask you, this is just to warm up. Could you find somebody from another country? Could you please share with them what is it that you're making of this? What's sparking off in your mind?
Because it reminded me of maybe like a pirate ship or something. It had a key.
Some kind of prison. Someone was tied up and locked away.
So in your group, you've now got to select one of them that you're prepared to represent. Now, I'm leaving it open like that. So what do you think it's reminded the group of? Please keep away from the story. It's not an interpretation of a story. It's what do you think it's reminding them of? What is it that is signalling prison? So it's reminding them of
Worship.
worship, places of worship, a monastery, closed community perhaps. Would you mind just gathering in that space over there? I'll knock again, then we'll knock the door down. This is your last chance. Quick thinking. It is about taking action within the make-believe, not trying to find out, well, if you say this and you say that, and I can say that, and oh, well, why don't we have a body over here? That's not the sort of form of work that I'm encouraging you. I'm encouraging you to get into the make-believe and make something work from within the make-believe. That's where the challenge is.
Let it be known that the battering ram will be taken to the small door unless you open it. We will get in. It will be bad for you.
It won't be bad for us because we have the name of the Lord on our side.
It's too late.
He's gone. He did.
Yes, escape.
You lie.
Well, then open the door and let us in and see for ourselves.
Yes, let us see. He goes. We are telling truth.
You come into the house of God and the house of the Lord.
Come this way. Come this way.
Why do you want a crucifix? If we give you a crucifix, you will seem like you're acting in the Lord's name, and you're not.
You are ungodly people, and we will therefore act in an ungodly way. Most extraordinary, because it was so powerful. From a visual point of view, I have no idea what it was like inside it for you, because we were making something happen together, and we were in that sort of free flow of drama. And drama, as you know, with Mantle the Expert, is a very powerful component of it. So our capacity to use and understand drama is uppermost when we're using Mantle the Expert. Mantle the Expert doesn't excuse us for not using drama. It actually encourages us to use it much, much more. So this morning was an exploration of the drama circle within Mantle the Expert.